Hi. Welcome to the introduction and installation tutorial for Stylized EcoKit. As shown on the screen, this is the most comprehensive stylized nature asset kit on the market. With this kit, you can easily create any stylized natural scene. First, after you extract the downloaded files, open Blender's Preferences. Go to File Paths and find Asset Libraries. Click on it and navigate to the folder where you stored Stylized EcoKit, then select the folder and click the Add button. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see all the assets from Stylized EcoKit in the Asset Browser. Next, at the bottom of the asset list, you'll see a world category, but there aren't any assets inside. That's because the world assets are part of another product's base version, which I've made compatible with Stylized EcoKit. If you've purchased that product, simply place its .blend file into the Stylized EcoKit folder, and you will be able to see the assets listed. All assets in Stylized EcoKit are compatible with Eevee, Cycles, and Eevee Next. If you're using Blender version 4.2 or above, make sure to change the connection in the Shaders group node to Eevee Next and adjust the value slightly. This will ensure everything displays correctly. Now, let me introduce you to the Geometry node's assets in the Flora category. When you drag the asset from the asset library, two collections will appear, Flora_collection and Terrain_collection. These correspond to scattered plants and the terrain they attach to, respectively. To proceed, we can create a collection for the terrain we want the plants to attach to and assign it to the Geometry node system. This way, the plants will automatically adhere to the specified terrain. Next, we can enter the Edit mode, select the Draw tool, and freely sketch the desired distribution of plants, allowing for precise control and creativity. Now, you can create any object and drag the effect onto it. This will give you leaves shaped according to that object. Since we're using version 4.2 for this demonstration, you need to switch the shader to Eevee Next. Then, find the Image Texture node and enter the UV Edit mode for the leaves mesh. Start adjusting the UVs, and look. The shape of the leaves is changing. Convenient, isn't it? Next, we'll demonstrate the moss effect, which follows the same steps as the leaves, so we'll keep the demonstration brief. Looks good, right? And just like the leaves, the moss also has dynamic animations. Next, we'll drag the vine effect into the scene. After adjusting the shader, switch to Draw mode and start drawing. Of course, the vine effect also includes dynamic animations. Finally, let's take a look at the tree's Geometry node's effect. Once you drag it into the scene, simply activate Draw mode and start drawing. It's really easy. The tree effect will appear right away. There are two preset sets of generation parameters, but of course, you can adjust them however you like. Everything is up to you. And yes, the trees also come with dynamic animations. The logic for the other effects is pretty much the same, so I'll let you explore those on your own. I hope you enjoy this. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials and showcases in the future. See you next time.